I don't think there's anything more transformational in a student experience than a deep and meaningful international experience. Particularly for a young person that grows up in the rural parts of North Carolina. I talked to a student last night, and this last year she studied in Peru as part of one of our study abroad. And this young woman is forever changed. Everything about her world and what she envisions doing in the future is colored through different glasses now. And you know, things have opened up to her in a way that only that kind of experience can cultivate.